Now to a case that we have been following for nearly 10 years. Ruben Torres sentenced to 18 years behind bars. His trial wrapped up this morning. Torres is charged with murdering 13-year-old Abigail Estrada. He changed his plea from not guilty to no contest. Channel 5's Michael Scott was in the courtroom today. He has details from the Cameron County Courthouse. Michael.
Ruben Torres' attorney says the state made him an offer. Before court started this morning, Torres pled no contest. That means that he's not admitting to actually killing Abigail Estrada, but it's a way to work out a deal with the state. His attorney, Lilia Gonzalez, says they have always been not guilty, and they were given an offer of 18 years from the state. She says they pled no contest because there's enough evidence there where a jury might be emotionally affected to go to a plea of guilty. She says there was no physical evidence and the state's case was based on emotional evidence. Yesterday was the first day of trial. Witnesses were called to the stand. The judge decided to give Torres 18 years based on the evidence she's seen so far, including witness interviews. To this day, Abigail's body is still missing. Torres was last seen with Abigail in June of 2007.
He's always told me that he dropped her off at the stop sign, and basically she walked home. He does regret doing that. He said, I wish I had taken her back to the front door and taken her home. He regrets that. He does not know what happened to her.
And those 18 years the judge sentenced him to include time he's already served, which is around 500 days. Abigail's aunt, Laura, was in court this morning. She's been the most vocal since Abigail went missing nearly 10 years ago. She went before Ruben in court, shedding tears and holding a picture of Abigail. She told him, tell us where her remains are so she can finally be laid to rest. Coming up, we'll hear more from Abigail's family. We're working to put together that story for you coming up tonight on Channel 5 News at 6. For now, reporting from the Cameron County Courthouse, Michael Scott, Channel 5 News at 4.